In this video, we listed the 5 best sublimation printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET 15000. The Epson ET 15000 is an advanced inkjet printer featuring Wi-Fi connectivity and a range of special features such as auto duplex, Energy Star certification, a refillable ink tank, and an auto document feeder. This white printer offers color output with a maximum print speed of 9 ppm for color and 17 ppm for monochrome. Weighing 26.5 pounds, it boasts innovative cartridge-free printing, where each ink bottle set is equivalent to about 80 individual cartridges, offering dramatic savings on replacement ink by up to 90% compared to traditional cartridges. The printer comes with enough ink to last up to 2 years, reducing the frustration of running out of ink. Its high-capacity ink tanks are designed for easy and worry-free refilling using Epson's exclusive EcoFit ink bottles, and it supports versatile paper handling, allowing printing up to 13 inches by 19 inches and copying, scanning up to 8.5 inches by 14 inches. The ET 15000 enhances productivity with features such as auto two-sided printing, a 2.7-inch color touchscreen, borderless printing up to 11 inches by 17 inches, and hands-free voice-activated printing. For connectivity, it offers an ultimate wireless solution with Ethernet and compatibility with the Epson Smart Panel app for easy printing from smart devices. It includes key security features like WPA2 for wireless and Wi-Fi direct connections, user-initiated data arrays, and network protocol disablement. To ensure optimal print quality and performance, it is recommended to use genuine Epson ink. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET 2800. The Epson ET 2800 White is an innovative inkjet printer that eliminates the need for costly and wasteful ink cartridges with its high-capacity refillable ink tanks. Designed for both wired and wireless connectivity, it offers mobile printing capabilities and features Epson's exclusive EcoFit ink bottles, which make refilling quick and easy. The printer delivers impressive print quality with micro-piezo heat-free technology, ensuring sharp text and vibrant color prints on a variety of paper types. With up to 2 years of ink included in the box and replacement ink bottles that offer up to 90% savings over traditional cartridges, the ET 2800 is built to be cost-effective and environmentally friendly by reducing cartridge waste. Additionally, it includes a high-resolution flatbed scanner and copier, a user-friendly color display, and a 2-year limited warranty, making it a reliable and efficient solution for home or office use. Number 3. Epson EcoTank Photo ET 8550. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET 8550 is a versatile, wireless inkjet printer designed for high-quality photo printing and creative projects. It features cartridge-free printing with Epson's Claria ET Premium 6-color inks, delivering vibrant colors and sharp text. The printer supports borderless photos up to 13 inches by 19 inches and can print a 4 by 6-inch photo in just 15 seconds. With an auto document feeder, double-sided scanning, and auto duplex printing, it offers convenience and efficiency for various tasks. The ET 8550 is cost-effective, with a significant reduction in ink costs, up to 80% savings compared to traditional ink cartridges, thanks to its high-yield ink bottles. Each set of ink bottles can print up to 6,200 pages in color, providing excellent value and sustainability with zero cartridge waste. It also offers mobile printing through the Epson Smart Panel app, making it easy to set up and control from a smartphone or tablet. The printer comes with a 2-year limited warranty for added peace of mind. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET 4800. The Epson EcoTank ET 4800 is an innovative inkjet printer designed for efficiency and cost savings, featuring refillable ink tanks instead of traditional cartridges. This model offers significant savings on replacement ink, with up to 90% lower ink costs and enough ink to print up to 4,500 pages in black and 7,500 pages in color. The EcoTank system helps reduce cartridge waste, making it an eco-friendly choice. The printer also boasts impressive print quality thanks to Epson's micro-piezo heat-free technology, producing sharp text and vibrant color images. It includes a built-in high-resolution scanner and copier, a color display for easy navigation, and modern connectivity options like wired, Wi-Fi, and voice-activated printing. Additionally, users can print from smart devices via the Epson Smart Panel app, making it a versatile and user-friendly option for home or office use. Number 5. Epson EcoTank ET2850. The Epson ET2850 White is a versatile inkjet printer designed for cost-effective, high-quality printing. Featuring innovative cartridge-free technology, it uses refillable ink tanks instead of traditional ink cartridges, offering significant savings, up to 90% on ink costs, and reducing waste. The printer includes enough ink for up to 2 years of use, with each set of ink bottles capable of printing thousands of pages. Its EcoFit ink bottles ensure easy and clean refilling. The ET2850 also boasts impressive print quality with sharp text and vibrant colors, thanks to Epson's micro-piezo heat-free technology. Additional features include a built-in scanner, copier, and auto two-sided printing for added convenience. With Wi-Fi and USB connectivity, this printer is ideal for home or small office use.